Today I am reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Book5 360. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Starting with the heart of the machine, the Galaxy Book5 360 is powered by the latest Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, Series 2, coupled with upgraded integrated graphics and a next-generation NPU, or neural processing unit. This chipset is no ordinary update. It brings AI computing directly to your fingertips, making the laptop not only faster but smarter. Whether you're video conferencing, multitasking between apps, or running intensive creative tasks, this laptop can handle it all with ease. Now let's talk about AI. This isn't just marketing fluff. Samsung's integration of AI features like AI Select lets you search the web by simply circling anything on your screen, text, images, QR codes, and instantly pulling up results. It's intuitive and incredibly useful, especially for students, researchers, or anyone browsing content-rich sites. You also get features like Photo Remaster, a built-in tool that uses AI to sharpen and enhance blurry or low-quality photos directly in the Samsung Gallery. And if you're into presentations, creative work, or just experimenting, CoCreator in Paint allows you to sketch ideas and turn them into polished AI-generated artwork. This is perfect for business professionals, artists, and content creators. But AI isn't just visual. The Live Captions feature can detect speech in real time during meetings or video streams and convert it into English captions. Whether you're attending virtual lectures or international webinars, you'll never miss a word. That's a game changer for accessibility and comprehension. Let's not forget about Copilot, Microsoft's AI assistant, which has its own dedicated key on the keyboard. This allows you to launch AI tools and functions instantly, helping you brainstorm ideas, summarize documents, or optimize your tasks with a simple press. The display is another major highlight. With a 15.6-inch Full HD AMOLED touchscreen, the Galaxy Book5 360 delivers brilliant cinematic visuals. It supports rich, vibrant colors with high contrast, and it's fully touch-enabled. Whether you're watching Netflix, editing photos, or just reading documents, this screen offers a stunning experience. The display is also anti-glare and energy efficient, making it easier on the eyes during long study or work sessions. When it comes to sound, you're getting Dolby Atmos quad speakers that deliver spatial audio for immersive viewing and gaming. The sound is loud, clear, and full, something most slim laptops struggle with. In terms of connectivity, Samsung continues to blur the lines between your mobile and desktop life. Thanks to Phone Link, you can easily access your smartphone's messages, calls, photos, and apps right from your laptop screen. It's smooth and seamless, and the added productivity boost is undeniable. If you use a Galaxy Tab, you can also use it as a second screen with just one click. Whether you're extending your workspace or duplicating displays for collaboration, it's an incredibly handy feature, and perfect for multitaskers or mobile professionals. Let's not overlook Quick Share, which lets you send large files between Galaxy devices with ease. You can also use Private Share to encrypt sensitive files with blockchain-backed security, perfect for sharing confidential work or personal files. In terms of portability, the Galaxy Book5 360 lives up to its name. It's ultra-lightweight, slim, and delivers all-day battery life, making it ideal for students, travelers, or remote workers who don't want to be tied down by a charger. You're easily getting up to 12 hours of use depending on your workload, and it charges up quickly via USB-C. Finally, the build quality is premium. It has a professional-grade aluminum finish, a comfortable backlit keyboard, and a responsive touchpad. Everything feels solid and refined, matching Samsung's well-known design language. So what's the verdict? The Samsung Galaxy Book5 360 Copilot PC is more than just a laptop. It's a window into the future of AI computing. With a beautiful AMOLED display, immersive audio, tight Galaxy ecosystem integration, and powerful AI features backed by the Intel Core Ultra chip, this machine is perfect for students, professionals, and creators alike. If you're in the market for a future-ready laptop that balances power, elegance, and smart AI tools, the Galaxy Book5 360 is a top-tier choice in 2025.